Okay, we're going to talk about how to cut up a potato. Last year we ran out of potatoes all over the state because we had so many new gardeners that planted the whole potato. The potato eye is what we were looking for. And I know that because I spent some time in college at Olds when we had eye potatoes to send them because they sold potato eyes in their catalog. So this is what you were looking for. You can see this is one that's growing. Here's one that's going to start growing. There's all kinds of eyes. You need at least 2 eyes. You want 2 eyes, but if you're in a rush, you cut this one in half. In fact, we could take this one if we wanted to and cut him like this again. And then dust them when you do this so that they'll scab up. There we go. We got ourselves at least 1, 2, 3, 4 feet, one every 12 inches, 12 to 15 inches, and we have a plant started. But of course, you don't want to, if you can help it, get these things dusted with a regular good dust, plant dust, to get and then let them scab overnight before you plant them. Anything with sulfur in it, dusting sulfur. This is sort of overkill, but this is the only thing I have in stock right now to show you the name, dusting sulfur, or any insecticide like Bonide's vegetable dust, plant dust. They have sulfur with theirs along with an insecticide. Anyways, to prevent it from rotting. You can plant this anytime. We need, I can't do the math anymore, but if you plant one every foot for 100 feet, you should get 100 pounds of potatoes. So you can see that these, it's all you're interested in is that, not the whole potato. So a couple pounds of potatoes will plant an average garden very well, or just for the purpose of fresh potatoes. If you're storing potatoes, you got a place to store them, yeah, you can go deeper than that. But this will get you what you want without wasting product, and we'll have potatoes in the 12th or Wednesday, so we can go to it, but you won't gain any time by planting them early. You can plant them after Mother's Day, and you'll have your 4th of July potatoes if you want, or then, or if you plant them now. So this is all I can really say, but have good luck, and this will keep us with plenty of potatoes, and we don't waste them by planting or cutting them up too much.